Dear students, this e-content pertains to the program Bachelor of Social Work, Semester 1 of Mangalore University. The name of the subject is Basic Sociological Concepts and the session number is 10. The topic for this session is Meaning and Definitions of Group. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous session or previous class, students understood the differences between the concepts of society and community. The learning objectives for this session are: number 1, to understand the meaning of group, and number 2, to understand a few definitions of group. The expected session outcomes are: number 1, that the students understand the meaning of the word group, and secondly, that the students understand a few definitions of group. So let us begin with the meaning of the word group. A group is a number of units of anything in close proximity to one another. For example, a group of houses on a street, group of trees in a forest, etc. In case of human beings, a group is any collection of human beings who are brought into a social relationship with one another. For example, family group, occupational group, religious group, etc. Let us have a look at some of the definitions of group. According to R.M. McIver and Page, group is any collection of human beings who are brought into human relationship with one another. According to Harry M. Johnson, a social group is a system of social interaction. According to Marshall Jones, a social group is two or more people between whom there is an established pattern of interaction. So here are some more definitions. The first one is by Ogburn and Nimkoff, and this definition says that whenever two or more individuals come together and influence one another, they may be said to constitute a social group. According to Emery S. Bogardus, a social group is a number of persons, two or more, who have common objects of attention, who are stimulating to each other, who have common loyalty and participate in similar activities. According to Horton and Hunt, groups are aggregates or categories of people who have a consciousness of membership and of interaction. According to Williams, a social group is a given aggregate of people playing interrelated roles and recognized by themselves or others as a unit of interaction. According to Green and Arnold, a group is an aggregate of individuals which persists in time, which has one or more interests and activities in common, and which is organized. According to Bennett and Tumin, a group is a number of people in definable and persisting interaction directed towards common goals and using agreed upon means. So these were some of the definitions of group, and this entire session can be summarized in one sentence as a group is any collection of human beings who are brought into a social relationship with one another. Let us have a look at some of the multiple choice questions. Number 1, a group is any collection of human beings who are brought into human relationship with one another. This definition was given by A. Bogardus, B. R. M. McIver and Page, C. Williams, D. Green and Arnold, and the right answer is B. R. M. McIver and Page. Number 2, a social group is two or more people between whom there is an established pattern of interaction. This definition was given by A. Bogardus, B. R. M. McIver and Page, C. Marshall Jones, D. Green and Arnold, and the right answer is C. Marshall Jones. Number 3, whenever two or more individuals come together and influence one another, they may be said to constitute a social group. This definition was given by A. Bogardus, B. R. M. McIver and Page, C. Marshall Jones, D. Ogburn and Nimkoff, and the right answer is D. Ogburn and Nimkov. The fourth multiple choice question says that a social group is a given aggregate of people playing interrelated roles and recognized by themselves or others as a unit of interaction. This definition was given by A. Williams, B. R. M. McIver and Page, C. Marshall Jones, D. Ogburn and Nimkov. And the right answer is A. Williams. The fifth multiple choice question says that a group is an aggregate of individuals which persists in time, which has one or more interests and activities in common, and which is organized. This definition was given by A. Green and Arnold, B. R. M. McIver and Page, C. Marshall Jones, D. Ogburn and Nimkov, and the right answer is A. Green and Arnold. So these are some of the books which I have referred to prepare this video and this material. So you can kindly go through these books to get a better understanding of the topic. Thank you.